I know what is going on up there. What is going on? Where are you? Hey, I can't see you.
What are you doing?
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 Are you on Lexi's head? She doesn't look too happy with you in her hair. She doesn't. What are you gonna do? I know her feathers go everywhere, don't they? My goodness. Let me see. Winnie. Hey, 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 hey.
Lucky doesn't. It's okay, Winston.
I know. There's a bird flying around right here in the living room. This can't be right.
Lucky's.
What do you think, Winnie? I know.
You're stuck. Precious, ow, it's hurting.
Where are you?
You're stuck in my hair.
Oh, goodness.
Precious, you're making a mess out of my hair.
She likes your feathers.
Okay, Winston.
Winnie, I know something's not right. Something is not right.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Oh, you like her hair? So pretty. Lucky. Lucky, he can be up there. It's okay. No, he's fine. The bird can be there. Leave him alone, Lucky. Everything's okay. Right, Winnie? Yeah. You think he's not supposed to be up there either? Hmm?
Precious, what are you doing? Precious. What in the world? You're cleaning yourself? You have a peanut? Guys, stop. This is what they're fighting over.
Yes, Precious, I see you. I do. What are you doing? I see you eating.